Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel and Transform. If you are planning to renew your Indian passport in the USA and feeling overwhelmed with VFS forms, affidavits, notarization requirements, or confusing document checklists, this video is going to save you a lot of time and stress. We have helped many folks through Indian passport renewals, OCI applications, surrender certificates, and VFS submissions. One thing I noticed again and again is that people get stuck not because the process is difficult, but because every situation is slightly different. That's exactly why I created these passport renewal kits available on my website, Timeless Trekker Store. I now have complete kits for minor and adult Indian passport renewal, OCI and the surrender of Indian passports. And these are not just simple checklists. These kits are designed to cover almost every real-world scenario people face during passport renewal. So let me quickly show you what's included. For the minor passport renewal kit, you will get the following documents included in the kit: complete document checklist, templates for a cover letter, affidavit for US legal status, address proof undertakings for US and Indian addresses, split name consent documents, parental authorization, affidavit, joint consent, affidavit if biological parents are unmarried, corrections for father or mother's name, affidavits for expired passports, thumb impression declaration affidavit if the minor is over 5 years and still cannot write for medical or other reasons, and joint consent affidavit if the parents are divorced. If you need an additional document not included in the kit, reach out to us via the Contact Us form, and we will prepare a document tailored to your needs. A lot of parents struggle when the child has no address proof, parents have different surnames, only one parent is applying, signatures don't match, or there is a split name issue. This kit already includes solutions for those situations. Now let's talk about the Adult Passport Renewal Kit. It includes complete renewal checklist, cover letter, affidavits for proof of legal status, affidavit for address proof for both the US and India, consent letters for split name, correction of spouse and parents' names, addition or removal of spouse's name or middle name, affidavits for change of address, renewal of expired passport, or name change after marriage or divorce. There may be situations when you need to fix details in the passport. For example, maybe your passport has your full name written on surname and first name is left blank. Maybe you recently got married or divorced. Maybe you do not have any address proof under your name. Maybe your Indian address and US address are different. Maybe your passport already expired years ago. These are the exact situations these kits are designed for. And one of the biggest benefits is this. If your situation is unique, I can also prepare a customized affidavit or letter specially tailored to your case, and that is included in the kit price. So instead of spending hours searching random Facebook groups or worrying about rejection from VFS, you can simply use the prepared templates and personalized support. Everything is written in very simple language, especially for people applying on their own without agents. I also keep updating these kits whenever VFS or Indian consulates change requirements. So if you want to make your Indian passport renewal process smoother and avoid delays, you can check out the kits using the link in the description below. You can visit our store, timelesstrekker.com, and if you have questions about your specific passport situation, leave a comment below or contact me through the website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone going through passport renewal right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.